Hey, I'm Lauren Beck. I'm super excited to dive a little deeper and show you some techniques that I use with my Crayola adult coloring products. Now we're going to take two different colors and blend them together for an interesting effect with a smooth transition. Let's get started. When you're starting your color blend, I like to choose the lighter color to start with and place it down in the area that I'm going to saturate first. You can use the tip of your brush marker to get in all those little areas. If it looks streaky, that's okay. We're going to be going back over. A lot of folks might choose to color the entire leaf all in one go, but I like to keep a concentrated area so that I can work quickly in order to add the next color. And I find that this really keeps the markers fresh, the ink a little more workable on the page. Now I'll go in with the second color, which is a bit darker, and we're getting this really wild, maybe not realistic look, but I like to experiment. What you can see so far is there's not really a great smooth transition between the two, right? That's okay. I'm gonna trust the process. I'm gonna go back to that base color, the green, and now I'm going to color a little bit over the blue, working quickly, and what you'll start to notice is they will blend together in a transition. I'll go back again, another pass with the blue, coming up from the other side. I'm working quicker and quicker, and you can kind of see that it makes a difference. And that actually looks really cool. I like the way this is looking. And this will continue to blend on the paper, but if you find that the transition still isn't what you'd like, you can take another pass at it. Really saturate the paper. And that's how you blend two different colors together for a seamless transition with no colorless blender. It's a really fun tool to have in your toolbox, and you'll find your most favorite color blends simply by experimenting and playing. Have fun and happy creating!